अरे यहाँ तो बहुत अंधेरा किया हुआ है। ओके, अब बहुत ज्यादा हो गया यार। आई थिंक आई बेटर ऐप यूज करते हैं। Okay, so much better. Thanks to these Havells Crabtree iSense Smart Switches, ये बहुत ही convenient है. I think everyone should get it. Now I know आप लोग सब क्या बोलने वाले हो. You want smart switches. You always wanted home automation of that kind. पर थोड़ा थोड़ी नई वायरिंग डालनी पड़ेगी, कॉम्प्लेक्स इंस्टॉलेशन है, सब कुछ करवाना पड़ेगा, एंड यू नो दैट्स अ बिग हेडेक. आफ्टर ऑल पुराने स्विचेस की जगह नए लगाने पड़ेंगे, ये बहुत सारा काम कराना पड़ेगा. You're totally wrong. Not at all. ये जो Havells Crabtree iSense switches हैं, they are incredible. This is a very unique made in India solution that requires zero rewiring. There'll be no breakage at all. Can be retrofitted into your current switchboard slot. और installation इतनी simple है. In fact, मैं बता क्यों रहा हूँ आपको, मैं दिखा सकता हूँ. Let me show you how these switches in our studio went from that to this. और ये सब हुआ in just a few minutes. Now let me show you कितने तरीके हैं that I can control everything from here on. Havells Crabtree iSense switches are truly smart और home automation can now go to a whole new level. बहुत सारे options हैं to control everything. Number one, the switchboard itself. आप देख सकते हैं they are absolutely stunning looking. In fact, हमारे पूरे studio का look ही बदल गया since we've actually installed this. और ये capacitative हैं, that means they are backlit. And glass not only looks premium, but ये है super tough as well. और ये जो remote है, this can control the lights and fans also. और तीसरा, my favorite is my phone. Havells का DigiTap app है available on both iOS and Android. ये app allows me to create some really good automation. Here's what I've done. जब मैं guests expect कर रहा हूँ, this is what I like. Everything is on. I get perfect illumination. Everything is very well lit. When there's just me or my team, we then move to this. Just about the right amount of light. यहाँ पे main जो light on है, लेकिन chandelier is off. In fact, you can control the iSense switches with just your voice through voice control app and devices also. ये बहुत easily आप set up कर सकते हैं from the Havells DigiTap app on your phone. Now just say lights on or lights off. And the magic is done. एक चीज आपको जरूर ध्यान रखनी पड़ेगी, ये जो receiver है, this has to be plugged in at all times. It has to be connected to your Wi-Fi. Where it loses power or the internet, you won't be able to use the automation part. The physical light switches यहाँ पे they will work, but no scenes. You only need one receiver if you live in a small apartment. For example, अगर आप एक 2-story के घर में रहते हैं, you'll have to accommodate the setup using 2 receivers, just to ensure that everything remains connected at all times. Let's now move on to the switchboard module itself. ये जो switchboard module है, it comes in 2 colors. एक है इसका grey और एक है इसका white. Both very premium looking. Multiple options based on how many switches you need. 2, 4, 6 or 8. The more switches you get, the more controls it gives you. Fan and light तो common है, but you've got smart lights. The iSense smart switches also come with dimmers. So in the 8 switch iSense model, you'll get 2 fan controls, 4 on-off switches, 2 buttons for light dimming and 2 scenes. जैसे आपने guess किया, everything is controllable via your phone also. You know, this is why I find it so convenient. आपके पास phone है to control it all, remote control है, and of course you can just walk up to this incredible looking switch module. And all this communication is totally latency free. It happens instantly. और ये पूरा का पूरा system जो इन्होंने बनाया है ना, they've kept Indian power requirements and conditions in mind, क्योंकि इसमें inbuilt है 3 kVA surge protection. And the costs is the part that I totally love. With no jhanjat. Everything is surprisingly low in terms of what you will invest. Easily scalable है. एक full 2 BHK home can be fully automated for around 50,000 rupees. The Havells Crabtree iSense switches definitely make home automation so much easier, completely affordable, and thanks to no rewiring, no restructuring costs, it's very convenient also. Isn't this the future of smart homes in every which way? I think so. What about you? Tell me in the comments and keep coming back to Tech Magnified for a whole lot more. See you in the next one.